Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about daily Scrum meeting or daily stand-up calls in the Agile framework. See, daily Scrum meeting. So daily stand-up calls, right? See, stand-up calls, no. Everyone has to give quick updates. Everyone who has joined, no, everyone has to provide or give quick updates. So duration will be duration of the Scrum maximum 15 minutes. Okay. Here in Scrum, no need to provide detailed information. No need to provide detailed information. Just quick updates. So how updates is going to be, right? See, updates, right? You are going to do updates, right, in Scrum. Updates in Scrum. So what did I complete yesterday? What will I work today? So any blockers, these things we will discuss. Any blockers, these are updates you have to give. Any blockers. Who will attend the daily Scrum meeting? Scrum team. Who are in the Scrum team? Scrum Master, Dev team, QA team, sometimes product owner. Or in few companies, product owner will attend every Scrum team, every Scrum meeting. Or in some companies, no. So like I have worked with 4 companies, right? Like 4 projects. So 2 times, no, I am able to see product owner in my Scrum team, and other 2 projects, no, just Scrum Master is taking my updates. So this is on. So daily stand-up meeting, no, we will update in the Agile framework. So everyone has to provide quick updates. So their updates should be a one-liner is fine. No need to give more and detailed information. And also duration of the Scrum is maximum 15 minutes. So the main thing is, so say they should know. So what is happening in the team, no? Across the team, what is happening, right? So you need to provide your updates. What did I complete yesterday? What will I work today? Any blockers? And who is attending? Scrum team, Scrum Master, Dev team, QA team, and the product owner. So main important thing, what we'll get, we'll get the main important information from the daily Scrum meeting is, where are we standing on the development or testing, what is going on across the team. So that